Hello dear students. So this is the video of chapter 13 of your book class 3 TUK General Knowledge, and the name of this chapter is Ancient Rulers of India. It means इंडिया में जो राजा थे पहले उन किंग्स के बारे में रूलर्स के बारे में now we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's start. India has also been a land of warriors. इंडिया में warriors means योद्धा. इंडिया में बहुत सारे योद्धा हुए हैं. Here are the pictures and descriptions of some great rulers who made history. Now, in this chapter, we will see pictures and descriptions, कुछ photos और उनके बारे में कुछ हम पढ़ेंगे. Great rulers जिन्होंने who made history, जिन्होंने इतिहास रचा है. Identify them by taking help from the hints. And now we will identify them with the help of hints. Who made history मतलब उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है हिस्ट्री में, वो बहुत महान राजा हुए हैं. So let's start. First slide, you can see the picture. And this ruler fought the war of Kaling and later became a follower of Buddhism. इन्होंने कलिंग की लड़ाई लड़ी एंड उसके बाद ये बुद्धिज्म के फॉलोअर हो गए. एंड द नेम ऑफ मतलब इन्होंने बुद्धिज्म रिलीजन फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस रूलर इज ही इज वेरी फेमस अशोका, किंग अशोका. He fought the war of Kaling and later became a follower of Buddhism. This ruler was known as the Tiger of Mysore. This ruler was known as the Tiger of Mysore, and the name of this ruler is Tipu Sultan. Just remember from this Tiger of Mysore, Tipu Sultan is known as Tiger of Mysore. This brave Rajput king defeated Muhammad Ghori 16 times. Muhammad Ghori was a king of Mughal rulers, and this brave Rajput king in Bahadur Rajput Raja ने Muhammad Ghori को 16 times defeat किया. And the name of this ruler is Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan, he was very good fighter and a very good king, a very brave Rajput king. And he defeated Muhammad Ghori 16 times. 16 times उन्होंने Muhammad Ghori को defeat किया. This is the picture of the king, and he was the greatest ruler of Maratha and is remembered as Chhatrapati Maharaj. मराठा में ये बहुत अच्छे राजा हुए हैं एंड इनको हम छत्रपति महाराज के नाम से जानते हैं. एंड दिस रूलर इज शिवाजी भोसले वन. शिवाजी भोसले वन इज नोन एज छत्रपति महाराज. He was the founder of the Mauryan Empire. Mauryan Empire इन्होंने ही establish किया and ruled over one of the largest ever empires in the Indian subcontinent. और इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट मतलब हमारे इंडिया के कॉन्टिनेंट पे सबसे बड़ा एम्पायर इन्होंने रूल किया है. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस किंग इज चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य इनका नाम है. एंड द अशोका वी हैव रेड very first slide is the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. So this chapter has come to an end. Thank you.